Hi guys, so mag-drawing tayo. Bale, I started this drawing last 2023 pa. Tapos, ngayon lang ako sinipagan na i-continue. So, ano ba tong dinadrawing ko? As you can see, all of them are normal types. And I want to start a drawing that would showcase all of my favorite Pokemon. Favorite Pokemon per type and per generation. So, nakita nyo na nga, favorite normal type ko sa Gen 1 is si Snorlax, Gen 2 si Aipom, Gen 5 is Chinchino, tapos Gen 7 is Komala. Since wala naman ng choice, pwede naman si Silvalai, pero ito na lang para medyo cute din. So kayo, which Pokemon do you wanna see next? Baka sapian ako ng kasipagan at ma-continue ko to. I just want this picture to be filled up with any Pokemon. And I want to excuse my voice kasi kakagising ko lang. Galing lang ako sa event yesterday. And masaya naman siya. So please comment your favorite Pokemon. Malay nyo, isama ko. Ayun lang. Sige po, paalam!